Hi guys, welcome back to 4Kids Daily Adventure. And today we're making brownies. Yay! We are making brownies and we need 1 cup of sugar and 4 eggs. So pour them together and mix them. Time to mix. Make sure you mix it well. Now you have finished mixing it. Put this aside. 2 cups of dark chocolate. And you don't want to pour it inside or it'll make the chocolate all watery when it's melted. That's why you should take a clear dish and put a bowl inside and put the chocolate in the bowl and put water around it. And then it'll heat it up. Oh, I see some melting. Melted chocolate. And it sure is melted, and it smells delicious. Can't wait to eat the brownies. After the chocolate is melted, you pour in the 13 tablespoons of melted butter. Make sure all the chunks of butter is now liquid. We have melted our butter and chocolate and mixed them together. Now we'll get our sugar and eggs that are mixed and pour the chocolate in. We're almost done making our batter. Now you preheat the oven to 375. It's time to add the flour. Baking soda, baking powder. We mix all the ingredients together. If your dough looks like this, it's ready. Hey Jason, I have an idea. What is your idea? Instead of doing squares, we can do brownie cups. Okay. You can get a spoon. Looks like our oven's done. Now we can put the brownies in. When you open the oven, because the hot air will come out and you don't want to burn yourself with anything. And if you're young, you should have a parent's supervision. You set a timer for 15 minutes. Timer. Some people like plain brownies. And some people like brownies with nuts and like other things. So we put walnuts because we like walnuts. 1/2 cup of walnuts. So we mix it in. Get spoon. It won't stick to the palm. Okay. We have got a different mold for the walnut ones, so people can know which one's walnuts and which one's not walnuts, so they can pick which one they want. You need a pick and you have to poke it in, and if it's doughy, it's still doughy, then it needs more cooking, and if it's not doughy, Look like it's done. It's time to eat your dessert. Okay. Oh yeah, put in the other one. And last one. Done. They look delicious and smell good, really good. Looks like our brownies are done. Time to take them out. My mittens won't grab long. And put them down. Close up. Sure. I'll push it. Good job. Make sure that your pan cools down before you touch it because it's hot. Cooled down enough, so now we can take one and eat it. They look delicious. I'm having trouble. They taste really good. Yep, they taste awesome. They sure taste good. Hopefully yours turn out good as ours. Thank you for watching. See you next time at 4Kids Daily Adventure. Bye!